Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can write into secant of s squared multiplied by secant of s squared, everything to the power of 4. Because 2 with number 4 we have 8 plus 2 we have 10. Now we have the formula in here. 1 plus tan s squared equals to secant of s squared. So we put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s du. We have secant of s squared ds. This one we change for u and we have u squared. Secant of s squared ds we change for du. And now we need to expand this one. Now, the integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. The next one is about 5 over 5. For u to the power of 7 over 7. U to the power of 9 over 9. And we put about c. About u, that's about tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.